Hey, Daniel. Man, this little part of Austin feels like we're in the rainforest here.
Hey, come in here.
It's really cool. Look at the size of those moss chunks. That's probably a 2.5 foot by 3 foot chunk right there, just right there. And these rocks are just huge. That rock is as big as a semi truck. And in on top of that hill, you get those magical views. That street's probably pretty close to Ladera Norte if you want to see where we are on a map. We're just, I don't know, southwest of those houses right there.